everyone. I, Namrata Rathod, Assistant Professor of Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry in Smriti College of Pharmaceutical Education, Indore. Today, we discuss about the effect of substitution on acidity of aromatic acid. Now, start from effect of substitution. The effect of substitution present on the benzene ring on the acid strength of aromatic acid depends upon both the natural and the substituent on the ring. There are two types of substitution mainly affect the acidity of aromatic acid. First is electron releasing group and second one is electron withdrawing group. What is electron releasing group? Like CH3, OH and NH2 groups are decrease the acidic strength of aromatic acid. This is due to fact that electron releasing group tend to destabilize the carboxylate ion relatively to the undissociated aromatic acid by intensifying the negative charge on the carboxylate ion. As a result, this substituent decrease the acid strength of substituent aromatic acid relative to aromatic acid. It is a structure of electron releasing group. This is electron releasing group and this is structure benzoic acid. G electron releasing, this is electron releasing and destabilize action. Acid strength decrease. In this structure the acid strength is decreased. Second one is electron withdrawing group like CNA, NO2 and CHO etc. increase the acidic strength of aromatic acid. This can be explained by the fact that electron withdrawing group tends to stabilize the carboxylate ion relative to undissociated aromatic acid by dispersing the negative charge on the carboxylate ion. As a result, such as group increase the acid strength of substituted aromatic acid relative to the aromatic acid. Is again structure of benzoic acid. G is electron withdrawing group and stabilizing ion. It is a stabilizing ion and electron withdrawing group. Acid strength is increased. Both are the structure of effect of the substitution. The first structure in when electron is released and destabilizing, acid strength is decreased. When electron withdrawing and stabilizing anion, acidic strength is increased. Now, next point is depending upon the nature of substituent, the following possibilities are there. The first point is group showing plus I effect. Plus I effect group having electron releasing inductive plus I effect such as CH3 and CH2CH3 group tend to increase the electron density on the oxygen atom of OH group. As a result, decrease its polarity and make the release of H plus difficulty. In other words, these groups decrease the acidic strength of aromatic acid. Such a group have an acid weakness effect when present in para and meta position, but effect relatively more in meta position. It is a structure of benzoic acid. Benzoic acid, it is a symbol of greater than. Benzoic acid is greater than 2 meta-methyl benzoic acid and meta-methyl benzoic acid is greater than 2 para-methyl benzoic acid. So, this is a group showing H plus effect in this structure. The second point is group showing plus M and minus I effect. minus I effect is electron withdrawing group. The group like OH, NH2, OCH3 and chlorine etc. having electron releasing mesomery is known as plus M effect, and minus I effect is electron withdrawing inductive effect. Show different behavior at ortho, meta and para position. Ortho, meta and para position. At the ortho and para position, electron releasing mesomeric effect dominated our inductive effect and decreased the acidity strength. When the OH group is attached on ortho position and para position, so it is plus M mesomeric effect and minus I effect show on ortho position. Decrease the acidity and decrease the acidity strength. Both sides decrease the acidity of strength. But at meta position, these groups show electron withdrawing minus I effect only at the stabilize the carboxylic anion. Therefore, order of acidic strength. So it is only present I effect. It is a benzoic acid structure, and when the OH group attached on the para position, the formation of plus M mesomeric effect and minus I effect perform and decrease the acid strength. So in this structure, plus M and I effect on ortho position show greater than minus I effect meta effect, minus I effect on meta position, and meta effect and minus I effect is greater than to benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is greater than to para effect, and plus M and minus I effect. So it is a group showing plus M and minus I effect. The OH group at the ortho position increase acidic strength due to stabilizing of carboxylate ion due to intramolecule H bonding. Third point is group showing minus I and M effect. The group like NO2, CHO, CN and SO3H etc. having polar multiple bond and withdrawing the electrons on the oxygen atom of OH group. Due to minus I effect and minus M effect and increase the acidic strength of aromatic acid. Both are the minus M and minus I effect. Both are the increase the acidic strength of aromatic acid. This group disperse the negative charge and stabilize the carboxylate ion. This group show present at meta position show minus I effect only. It is a ortho position, it is a meta position and it is para position. When position, it is a ortho position, it is a meta position and it is a para position. This group when present at meta position show minus I effect. So it is NO2 group present on meta position. So it is show minus I effect. When only and less stabilize the anion, but when present at ortho at para position, it is a para position. Ortho and para position, these groups show both minus I and minus M effect. Minus I and minus M effect both are shown. With position ortho and para position, and stabilize the anion to greater extent. Therefore, meta substitution acid are less acid than ortho and para derivative. It is less meta position is less substituted acid. It is a meta substituted acid are the less acidic as comparison to ortho and para position. Next point is effect on halogen. Halogens have an electron withdrawing inductive effect and electron releasing resonance effect. But inductive effect is stronger than resonance effect. It is a resonating structure and resonating structure. So when the chlorine is present at a para position, it is a ortho position, it is meta and it is para position. When chlorine is present on ortho position, it is electron withdrawing elective inductive. Electron withdrawing inductive effect, opposed by its electron releasing resonance effect, but inductive effect is stronger than resonance effect. So overall effect is electron withdrawing, and carboxylate ion get stabilized as a result. Parabenzoic acid, it is a parabenzoic acid is stronger than benzoic acid. It is a stronger as comparison to benzoic acid. And but when the chlorine present at meta position, it operate only electron withdrawing inductive effect, so that carboxylate ion is much more stabilized. Therefore, metabenzoic acid is stronger than parabenzoic acid. Orthochlorobenzene, it is a ortho position and chlorine present on ortho position. It is known as orthochlorobenzoic acid is more stronger than both meta and para. So overall resonance link structure is ortho is more stronger than meta. Meta is more stronger than para and para is more stronger than as comparison to benzoic acid. So these are the effect of halogen.